Hi Minnesota, this video is for the Pick 3 pair method. Ignore the 314159 that's written there. It does not apply for this method. I'm not sure why I wrote that, so ignore that. So what I do is I try to find the pairs to play in the next 13 days. And then for your state, you seem to like Saturdays. Your play types are front pair. So for an example, say 183 hit, and you played 1-8 front pair, then you would win. If you played 8-1 front pair, you would not win because it has to be an exact hit. On your site, I saw that they allow for $1 play. If you were to play $1, in this example, and played 1-8 front pair, you would win $50. My assumption is that they do allow for 50 cents, and then that would be a $25 win. But you'll need to double check that. I didn't see that on their site. And then same thing, if you were to play back pair, so say 3-1-8 hit, and you happen to play if you happen to play 1-8 back pair, then you would win. If you played 8-1 back pair, you would not win because, again, it has to hit straight. So what I do is I basically write out all the days from a month prior along with the weekday. So, and like I said, it seems like your state likes Saturdays. So that's the date I'm going with. So you see how, so if you can't see this very well, you can always go to your website and look at it. But so Saturday, February 10th, you had 753 hit. So you're looking for the next 13 days. So you had 3-5 hit, you see on February 11th. So the 5-3 pair, it reversed to a 3-5 front pair. So on that, you probably would not have guessed that. So you probably wouldn't have won on that. And then from there, so you see how you don't see any other 753 and the other numbers. So you're still looking. So the next week, you see on February 20th, you had 7-5 back pair there from that 175. So in this case, so you probably would not have guessed, like I said, the 3-5 reversing. But the 7-5 you might have, so you would have won there, as long as you would have played 7-5 back pair. Okay, so from that point, you're just basically doing the same thing. So you're going to take February 24th, you had 148 hit, so you're going to, so you see how, the 148, you see how 1-4 went to a back pair on Monday, February 26th. And then you also had the 4-8 reverse and split on February 27th there with that 8-5-4. So again, that one you probably would not have won on, the 8-5-4, because they just don't allow for that type of play in Minnesota. But you might have been able to get the 1-4 back pair on February 26th. If you would have, played that bet on that. Okay, so you're still looking for pairs from 148 because it's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 6-7 days right there. So you're gonna look at the next week, and then you did have see, wait, 1, 4. Just give me a second. Let's see. Here we go. So again, this one you probably would not have guessed, and you can't get this type of pair play they don't allow in your state. But you see how the 1-8 went to March 7th with that 1-9-8. But even though you didn't see or didn't get the pair play, you could have narrowed down some 3-digit play if there was some other workouts you're using to do so. So that's pretty much it. So now I'm just going to show you the potential pairs from 186 that fell tonight. So and that would have been March 11th. So 186 fell. So from that, you might have the 8-6 reverse, and it might split, and then you also might potentially have a 1-8 back pair and a 1-8, well, probably not and, you probably will have a 1-8 back pair or a 1-8 front pair. And I wouldn't be very surprised if, I already covered that. Okay, yeah, so the 8-6 might reverse. It's possible it'll be straightforward too, where the 8-6 will possibly be back pair and front pair, and or basically on that. Okay, Minnesota. So that's pretty much it. I hope that was helpful. If you do have questions, just let me know in the comments.